If you want to spring into action, first you have to contract before you can expand. A spring, you take a spring, you contract it, and you let it go, boing. So a cat, before a cat lunges upon a mouse or antelope, if it's a tiger, he crouches down like this. Tap! So Hanuman is crouched down, he's contracted all his bhakti, all his dasirati, he's concentrated. Tivrena bhakti yogena, this is tivra. Concentrated power. Our power, our attention is scattered, vikshepa, inattention, distraction. So he crouched down, just waiting. Hanuman, go here, boom! He's Dasirati Hanuman ki jai. Well, we're like lay back sevaks. Lay back, stay back, sleep back, wet back. So Hanuman is a great exemplar of pure Dasirati.